Yeah, this week USOIL technical analysis. See, last week what analyzed went well, but so because of war situation is not given in correction, it went directly to the upside. This week is be careful about this one. Sorry, I can remove all this. You're reaching the trend line already. Nearly. See, I can go for day time frame. Okay, see, almost reaching trend line. This week, if we give any small correction, it will give small correction. Maybe it will go up. Sorry, it will give small correction. It will go up. Maybe it can break the trend and come down. So this week is a sale is better for this one. Sale setup. Sale setup. Sale setup is better. Be careful about this one. Okay. If you break the trend and it come back also, it won't come up to here. Maybe it will come. Maybe this surrounding area, around this area. Okay. 80, 75 and above. This area. Okay. Right.